How much will 10,000 VeChain be worth in 2025? In this video I will talk about VeChain and share my price prediction with long and short term analysis, and we will have potential price targets and potential buy zones for VeChain to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. VeChain is on place 41 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3.2 billion. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw this crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone which was the start of this bullish push to the upside in 2021. And then VeChain retested this demand zone multiple times, but then we saw this bullish breakout to the upside. We broke this supply zone to the upside for the first time, but just with this wicks. Then we saw this retracement again under this supply zone, but then we saw this bullish breakout, broke this last high and saw even higher prices. And right now we are at this next very interesting area because we saw this rejection right here in this supply zone. Because from this supply zone we saw this move to lower levels, and as you can see we got this first rejection to the downside, and as we go on the daily chart you can see that we are seeing this consolidation and this slower moves to the downside. But if we now see a bullish reaction to the upside and break this last supply zone and this highs to the upside, then I think the chance is extremely high for massive higher prices in the near future. And if we are seeing the bullish breakout, the next very interesting price target is this high right here, because after we built this high we saw this massive move to lower levels, and often over important highs there's much liquidity, and liquidity is working like a magnet in the markets, so the chance is really high that we are reaching this new high. And if we then find bullish acceptance again, then the next really interesting price target is this high right here at 18 cents. And if we are also breaking this one to the upside again, then the last really interesting price target is of course the all-time high. And just from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have potential over 500%, which is really amazing for a big coin like VeChain. And the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high in the bull run. And I think VeChain has the potential to reach even higher prices. And to calculate the potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high all the way down to the swing low, and then we are getting this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of 44 cents for VeChain, and I think this kind of price target is very realistic for this bull run. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 900%, and I think this would be an amazing deal for VeChain. Of course, this is just the orientation from the prices right now, but if the total crypto market cap of the altcoins is increasing, and especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance that we could see even higher prices and new all-time highs for the total crypto market cap is there. And if just a small percentage flows into VeChain, I think this kind of price targets are very realistic for this bull run. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we're looking for potential buy areas for VeChain. And as you can see on the daily chart, we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs all the way. And right now we saw this first rejection from the supply zone to the downside. We are seeing this retracement. And if we would now see a bullish reaction to the upside and break this last supply zone, then I think the chance is high that you could see the bullish explosion. And if you're using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, you can see that we nearly reacted at the 0.618 Fibonacci, which is the golden pocket, and that we saw this rejection and this bullish candle right here is a very bullish sign. So I think the chance is also really high that you could see directly higher prices and don't see lower levels again. So if you're on the sideline right now at VeChain, I think this kind of prices are already a great chance to get into potential long trade. But if we would see even lower prices and a bearish reaction, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this bullish push to the upside. We broke this last highs, and we also have the 0.786 Fibonacci right at this demand zone. So if we see a move into this zone again and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great opportunity to get into a potential long trade on VeChain. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like VeChain, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all guys, I think VeChain is a great project with a very high potential. I think a potential price target of 44 cents is very realistic for the next bull run. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will be 10,000 VeChain be worth in 2025? If you would reach this potential price targets of 44 cents, then 10,000 VeChain would be worth around $4,400. And I think this would be an amazing deal for VeChain. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.